got 3 amazing recipes out of my new cookbook, plant-based food for absolutely everybody. This is a drink called Cheesecake in a glass. I know, can you believe it? There's no cheese in it, but it's amazing. And it has the most exquisite ingredients on the planet. Ginger, turmeric, coconut yogurt, and fresh lemon juice. It's that simple. It's a maple syrup just to bring it home. So all you've got to do is add the ginger to your Vitamix along with the turmeric to your Vitamix. That was a bit too much, Cynthia. And then your coconut yogurt. And then make sure you lick that spatula and sit it there. Lemon juice. And I'm going to need some maple syrup. How did this recipe make it into my new cookbook? Well, the story is in the recipe. It's quite magnificent. And how is it called? Cheesecake in a glass. You have to get my book to have a look because every recipe is filled with amazing stories of my friends and people that I've met over the years that have inspired me to make certain things like this. Ice, a lot of ice. Salt, super important. Building blocks of flavour. It will bring out a magnificent richness out of all of this. And then you're going to blend this down in high-speed blender till it's creamy, rich, and slushy cheesecake-like. This is when you taste it and you go, oh my God, it's that good. No, really, it's really good. And then you just, if you want any more maple, or if you don't, or you do, it depends how sweet you want it, but this is divine. Yum.
It's almost looking like ice cream.
It's totally like ice cream, but better, so much better. And then navigate your way of taking it out of the Vitamix. And then, I know, the hardest part, and then straight into a glass and let it just tumble and spill everywhere because really, why not? It is exactly like ice cream and it is exactly like cheesecake for some reason. It's definitely the coconut yogurt and the mixture of maple. I'm sorry, but that is just like the most epic thing I've ever made. That's it. Look at that little milky lushness going on down there. Oh my God. This is a Choco Macca. And in every recipe in my book, there's a story of how I come up with this glory. And this one is so funny and so epic. So click the link below, check out the book, buy the book. It is amazing how food impacts us and creates these amazing memories that saturate our soul with goodness. This is like a chocolate thick shake, but yeah, it's got none of the shitty sugars or shitty fats, you know, in it, which is awesome, but it also doesn't take away from the actual flavor of a yummy, delicious, rich, thick shake. I know, right? So you're gonna need some cashews and some cacao powder, some coconut sugar or maple sugar. It's up to you. What do you want to use? And then I've got some maca powder in here, which just brings it home, because that's what it is. It's a Choco Macca. And I need loads of ice. And this is the trick. You need the ice. And some water. Salt, 100%. It's kind of like our mineral supplement right there. And we're gonna blend this. I know, right? Can you believe it's that simple? If you don't want to use coconut sugar, use dates. If you don't want to use any sugar at all, don't use any. If you want to use maple sugar, use maple. If you want to use maple syrup, use maple syrup. Doesn't matter. Full recipes in my book. This is what it's going to happen right now. We're going to blend this, but I want all the sandiness of the nuts to actually be gone out of this drink, so it's absolutely lush and delicious, and just, I don't know, like chocolatey. You know, you want that chocolate kind of flavour. I'm whispering now. Okay. As it's doing its thing, taste it. Say to yourself, do I need more sweetener? Do I want more chocolate powder? Is there enough salt in it? You don't want it too savoury. And this is the thing, right? Just got to balance out the flavours. And we are done. How much do you love this drink, Dee?
So nice.
You love it so much, huh? And it goes straight into wee little situations. I know, right? Well, you can have one big glass of it. All my friends just have one big glass of it, but there's a few of us here, so I'm going to share it. And that's it. Yum! This is the best drink on the planet. It is called a sexy nutty. I know, right? You named it, actually. It is a great drink. And it kind of covers all parts, doesn't it? Exactly. You know, the dude behind the camera, Gungun, loves peanut butter. Don't you, Gungun? Yeah. And just mixing it with banana and chocolate just brings it home. So, this is what you do. Oats. Frozen banana. Peanut butter. Oh my God. Luxurious right there. Cacao powder. Coconut milk. Pinch of salt. Maple syrup, as much as you like. And if you don't want maple, use dates. If you don't want dates, use coconut sugar. If you don't want coconut sugar, use whatever you want, as much as you like. I want it sweet, chocolatey, and nutty. Ice, a lot. Blend. This has a great story. You know, when you look through the sections of the cookbook, you've got smoothies and cold liquids and hot liquids. What else we got? Lunch, dinner, all the things. And this is one of the, it's like one of those moments, right?
It's your baby.
It's a sexy nutty. Anyway, blend. Blend well. Halfway through blending, taste. Oh my God, it's so good. I need a little bit more salt, to be honest, just to bring out some more flavour. And we are done. You need a glass because it's sexy. Straight into here. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so lush. And what's going to top this off is what we like to do. Don't we, Gungun? Yo. It's just extra peanut butter. Just a wee little drizzle, nothing too drastic.
So what kind of peanut butter are you using?
I'm using homemade peanut butter, where we roasted some peanuts and blended them. And then what you can do is add a few cacao nibs just to make it look pretty. And that is a sexy nutty. It's just really yummy. Cheers. This one is fantastic. Kids, big kids, all of us kids. Oh my God, 3 o'clock in the afternoon when we want to pick me up. This drink has a great story to it. Click the link below and get the cookbook. It smells like banana and peanut butter on toast.
That's mine.
Oh, yeah, it is. And that's the beauty of this cookbook. It's for everybody.